Hello everyone, I'm glad to meet you today on this beautiful day. And today I'm going to talk about, are you living in the desert or are you living in the well-watered land? I'm living in the Middle East area right now. In the Middle East, it's not easy to see a naturally grown trees or naturally grown shrubs. It doesn't go naturally because there is no water available here. The fresh water availability is very rare here. You don't see a big river or big streams of water running in this area. It's not easy. So the trees and the shrubs doesn't go naturally. But if you go to India or Sri Lanka or some of the European countries, you will see a lot of trees, lot of shrubs, lot of grass, and it grows naturally. The fresh water is available in plenty. The word of God is like a fresh water. The word of God is actually a water for our life. If the word of God from Bible is available to you in plenty, your life will grow naturally. This is truth. Bible is the word of God. We need to have plenty of them inside us, not in the book, not in the shelf. We should read plenty of them. We should meditate on it. We should dwell in it. When we meditate and dwell in it, that our life will grow like a tree that is planted by the streams of water. This is why David, the king of Israel, who lived many years ago, he has written in the first book of his Psalms that he who delight in the law of the Lord and meditate on it day and night is like a tree who is planted by the streams of water, who does not fail to give fruits in the season, and whose leaves shall not wither. This is what he said. So when we have plenty of water, that is word of God inside us, we will be like a tree planted by the streams of water, which will never fail to give fruit in its season, and which leaves will not wither away. So let us spend more time in meditating the word of God, so that our life in every area will prosper. And he stated in the last verse that he is telling, whatever he does prospers. If you want that whatever you do must become successful, if you want every area of your life to be touched, you want to have more peace, you want to have a better relationship, you want to have a better life, better job, my dear friend, the secret is spending time in the word of God. Let us do that. May God bless you. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. God bless you, brother. Thank you.